when I go,
Sit down with his cousin, show, give him your ideas, and let him
no, I mean, when we go there, when we met this guy, Joey invited us to come to our place on the last day and have a drink with us. The guy came back and had a drink with us. We actually,
Oh, video?
this guy actually,
Empty glass. Bottled water.
no, this guy actually offered me and Joey that next time you guys come back, so,
Sexy boy.
the nice thing about it,
Something else?
after the next page. Okay. What are we gonna buy? What are we buying? After.
Actually, I said she has to start the ball rolling. I have no problem with her running down payment. If she sells her car and she gets her finances for cash, and she can afford it, it's fine.
I'm gonna back what I told you there earlier. That's why I told you before. If you need a financial advisor, financial assistant,
I'll show you the calculation.
Okay, okay.
It's being sent.
Joel, if you can help us get rid of her car. Her car is already $700 a month.
Get a simple car.
If she shows me she can do that finance,
she's got to start consolidating. If his brother can go ahead and get the ball rolling and get her act together, like I said, go on a simple, plain, simple car, 50 miles. Drive a 1997 car, still runs on the day, get you from point A to point B. When you go from point A to point B, you don't need to smell those drugs. But you go from point A to point B, that's all. Right?
Herbert.
But I think
Anika, for 2 years, you have your own house, condo, and the house is paid for.
yeah, so I think Annika is very serious for
Yeah.
getting the ball rolling. So,
I have a question. How long will you don't hold units for like, if you're thinking about it and you say, okay, I have somebody that you want in a couple of months and then like, that's not a problem.
If you are really serious,
You got to put money
I
down.
can hold it. Technically, you have to put a down payment of 25,000, which is peanuts, okay?
Yeah.
$400.
To hold the place.
But it's okay. If you are really serious, I'll just say to my cousin, put it in my name, and then we'll do the final. Because we can send the payment to banks. There are banks in the States that you can put in the payment. For down payment or whatever. When are you leaving?
This Saturday. The vacation only for 2 weeks.
That's okay. We'll finalize something somehow.
talk to him in Tagalog. Anong pangalan mo? Ay, sa ano, ano?
Alam ko kanina yan ng Pilipino.
Pilipino
Ba yung ano po pala?
Pilipino, hindi na marunong magtagalog. Doon kasi siya lumaki.
Sa States po.
Doon siya pa nangyayari.
Lumabas si Herbert. Ma'am, wala po kami wala kami white man.
We're just staring. We're just looking. We couldn't understand why. I said, English, please.
Wala ito mobilino ito dito.
Alam mo, pag ulit ka rin, alam mo, yun ang
Natitingin na ako ng kaunti, parang kaunti na, kaunti lang.
Walang pait.
Ano ba mga pinsan ko? Ito.
Yes, Belinda, yes. You're with us. I know.
Dapat, separate room kayo.
Magkagasa pa ba yung 60 years old?
Hindi makakasa.
Baka mamaya, bukas ang dahil sa mga sika.
Kaya wala na yan.
Everything looks pretty.
We went to Bohol, we stopped at the mall, we bought no
Walang prasa lang.
We get to Boracay, we went to the mall, we buy no burrito. Matter of fact, we do the magical matador.
Jocelyn lives very close to Boracay. Aklan.
Oh, yeah, take a look. Calico.
That's where Jocelyn is from. Jocelyn did not make it here because Rob is making a fuss about under like this, under like that.
Joe, let's Josephine. Josephine don't come with without coming home. She says, when you guys coming home, never mind. Oh yeah, let me, what's the phone?
Do you know her number?
I don't know.
Because if you do, you can use mine.
Because tomorrow, we're supposed to go to Chicago. I want to do the face. So, yo, Josephine. Ano lang? Hoy. Wag ka na magluto. Pero magluto ka para sa'yo sa aking hanggang.
Ano sa aso? For the dog? Lucky ko.
Sige, ano ka pa dyan, yung
Sa
nakakain.
maga na lang tayo uwi, makaalmusal.
Hindi, bukas na kami.
Almusal.
Kaya ilak mo na lang sa kapit kami. Yeah, maglakas na. Oh yeah, I think I might have a hookup with this cousin too. So Joey's gonna come back here. Give this guy all kinds of ideas. This is what I like to do. Is put a lot of people. Always take one person here, one family here to find out. Back home.
Here we are, living the good life with wine.
Cheers. Today's the 17th.
Novelino, huh?
Bahay pa namin, pwede mo yung
What's the date
paupahan.
today?
I don't know.
Dala ko lang ng
17.
Today's 17th, Tuesday?
Para kayo na
Lalagyan na lang yung
Tuesday the 17th.
Tsaka yung mga kama
Here in
na.
the
Alam mo kung kami may alam mo kung kami
Batangas.
may time,
Balay sa
yayayain ko, tatawagan ko kayo kung kainado ko sino may panahon para makita din ang pinsan ko. Kasi pwede
Para may
namin
idea siya kung sino
yung mga VIP
magpapa-
bisita rito na gusto namin dalhin doon na malamig-lamig, dalhin namin sa casino, pwede namin i-house.
Ayun, maganda yung overnight.
Tama yun, maganda.
Ang mangyayari no, re-rentahin niya sa iyo ng month. Siguro, I'll let him talk. Pwede naman si Sammy makakapunta. Plus, I will only be here another week.
Kailangan na